Hi you guys. So since February I have been planning a massive surprise for Tom. I booked us an all-inclusive week holiday in July to Jamaica. It is now May 30th and he's about to find out. He's currently on a treasure hunt. I told him to record it, so hopefully he does and I can insert it. And I'm gonna be here at the end with a box and a balloon's gonna pop out and it's gonna say Jamaica on there, and I'm fucking nervous. I don't know why, like my anxiety, I don't even know why I'm anxious. I'm so excited, I'm so fucking excited, I'm so fucking excited, but it's really windy and I'm really scared that the balloon just won't say Jamaica. Oh my god, oh my god.
So, clue 2. Oh, I do love a Diet Coke, don't I? I wonder what else I love. Morning cuddles are great. Where do we have those? Where do we have those? We have those in bed? Oh, it's so messy. How fun is this? Right, let's get serious. Where do I get Emily most annoyed about the one light and door being left open? Okay. So let's turn on the light. Oh, that's much better. That was number 3. So yeah. Getting very close now. Oh look, we have a parcel. I wonder what it could be. Head to cut me and see. Oh, woohoo! You made it now. Here is where you find it. Count it all out. Open each envelope in order, then the box, and there you go. 33 days. 9 hours and 45 minutes. Mouse. 7 days.
So what do you think it is?
I have no clue.
Okay, you can open the box.
Manual.
And now 6 years. Okay, and let the balloon pop out.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
When?
In 33 days.
Really?
Yeah.
You booked it?
Yeah. There we go. Where are we going?
We're going to Jamaica. Yeah, man. Wow.
We going to Jamaica's. There it is. There it is. We are going to Jamaica. I am so freaking excited. We go in 33 days. Cannot wait. Get me there now. Freaking buzzing! And I will be vlogging it. Oh, I hope you guys enjoy this absolutely completely random. I've like cried a little bit because it was just so emotional, so ignore that. Hope you guys enjoy this absolutely completely random surprising my boyfriend on a holiday video. I feel like this is blurry, but I'm going away on holidays. Oh, I can't wait. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.